You felt rejected because you disagreed with them. You felt neglected because you rejected their opinions. And it seems that you have been trying a lot hard since years to set this relationship, to set and fix this relationship, but it seems that this is not working out. Well, did you also feel that during your childhood you were turned against your siblings? अपने ही भाई बहन के अगेंस्ट आपको भड़काया गया था या फिर, और पता नहीं क्यों, लेकिन कभी आपकी और आपके भाई बहन के साथ आपकी कभी बनी ही नहीं. एंड यू ऑलवेज केप्ट ऑन थिंकिंग व्हाट वाज नॉट वर्किंग, व्हाई इज इट सो. दूसरों के घर के अच्छे रिश्ते देख के आपको लगता था काश मेरा घर भी ऐसे होता. यू हैव ट्राइड हार्ड बट दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग फॉर यू. आपको हर छोटी बड़ी बातों के लिए जो भी आप एक्शन लेते हो उसके लिए हमेशा क्रिटिसाइज ही किया जाता है, कभी उसका अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिलता. एंड यू कीप ऑन ट्राइंग इवन हार्डर, इवन स्ट्रांगली टू गेट देयर अप्रिसिएशन और एक्नॉलेजमेंट, but that never happens in your life. Even if they go under an emotional turbulence and still this card is telling you that उनके emotional discomfort के लिए भी आपको ही blame किया जाता था, आपको ही blame दिया जाता था. And you always kept on wondering, why me always? If they do not succeed or they do not win any prizes or any competition, then also उसके लिए भी आपको ही जिम्मेदार ठहराया जाता है. And again you question, what is wrong? Why it is always me? If something is not okay with this person or this sibling, then how do I become a reason for their failure? Also, they make you feel really dependent. आपके अंदर एक codependency के traits create किया जाता है so that you never leave them. It's like neither they nurture you nor they leave you. It's like you can't even stay with them nor even you can leave them. And this is what called a narcissistic toxic environment, narcissistic either siblings or parents. You might be dealing a lot. You might be handling a lot of emotions, self-confusion, brain fog, not being able to focus on your work, or a constant self-talk is going inside you which is actually draining you like anything. And here if you feel like you are being trapped and even if you want to come out of this situation or the environment, it seems really very difficult for you to step out. Well, here you need to take a intense healing or therapy session. An intense consultation or the healing would really help you to understand what is actually happening with you. Once you will rewire your brain and shift the way you perceive and receive everything from your environment, your matrix system will change, and that would help you to grow and move forward in your life. If you want an one-to-one intense healing session, then please do DM me. I help people to come out of their relationship traumas so that they can recreate a wonderful life, to live an extraordinary golden life which they have been desiring and dreaming about. Please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will stay updated about the upcoming videos. Until next time, please do take care. Lots of love.